Hello friends, myself Dr. Samrat Jankar, advanced laparoscopic colorectal and GI surgeon. Friends, this is the video for inviting you all people to come for fistula dedicated workshop. This is third workshop I am conducting in Symbiosis, and in fact till now such a dedicated 5 workshop we have conducted outside, and the people who have attended this workshop, everyone was till now attended surgeons were happy. What's difference between the other kind of workshop and here is we are here only dedicated fistula, because fistula is one thing starting from our UZ days it is neglected. If you go through the belly, we are having small topic about the fistula. If you come to the specialty learning in general surgery, we are having selected topic discussion of the theoretical concept of the fistula. When you go to super specialty, fistula doesn't exist because GI surgery teachings think that this is not needed to talk more, there is talk or discussion about the HPB. Fistula is a one disease, it is having lot of trouble starting from etiopathogenesis, starting from understanding anatomy of the perineum, and also lot of confusion with respect to the classification which the Parks has been stated in 75, and after that what radiologist gives in MRI that is not applicable for surgical thought process. And also surprisingly we are having n number of surgical procedures starting from simple fistulotomy, which is the standard of care, coming to lot of lasers and stem cell therapy, PILTEC therapy, lot of things are there. When one single disease has multiple procedure and nothing is standardizing means there is lot of things need to learn in this. So for that reason we at Symbiosis colorectal department having a dedicated workshops for the fistula, where we hit from the start that anatomy of the perineum, how to understand the anatomy, what has been suggested by Dr. Arun Rajinasukal, who is one of my teacher who does lot of research in the fistula. Also there are different classification, which one is applicable for our day-to-day routine use. I personally believe Dr. Rajinasukal pattern is one of the best which can be followed. Other than that, MRI reading, MRI teaching by the radiologist dedicated in Symbiosis, and also we will be having 5 to 7 live surgical demonstration where you will be in the OT, we will do hands-on surgical procedures on the fistula. We will, rather than doing one procedure or talking one procedure, we will go through the all procedure, try to understand what is the problem with the procedure, and we can gain core concept of the fistula. I welcome you all behalf of Symbiosis University Hospital and colorectal department. Come and join for one day dedicated fistula workshop. I assure you at the end of the day we'll have very good sound knowledge which will definitely going to change your fistula practice once you go back to your workplace. If you want to join for this workshop, you can connect me, a number given below of mine. Thank you.